ready to race. And the race is on. Ida's Julian Exceptional Angel rushing up in between runners is Best of Biscuit. Best of Biscuit. Ida's Julian Larmagnac Exceptional Angel. Rayo Donori inside Native Land alongside an open mind is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Best of Biscuit, Idas Julian, Larmagnac, Rayo, Exceptional Angel alongside Rushing of his Native Land. Open Mind also closing in. Rounding the far turn, 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Now we have 4 runners. Exceptional Angel moves up to take the lead. Idas Julian running in second. Alongside his Best of Biscuit, rushing up Native Lamb, Larmagnac, Rayo, and Open Mind as they swing for home. Exceptional Angel by some 2 lengths. Idas Julian, Native Land is on the outside, entering the finish line. It's still Exceptional Angel by some 2 lengths. Idas Julian, Native Land, Best of Biscuit, and finally Exceptional Angel. Close. Idas Julian, Native Land for second, and Best of Biscuit took fourth. Open Mind for your fan.